Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an initiating coverage. Our analyst initiates Saregama with a positive view, assigning price target of Rs 640 as the company with its large intellectual property portfolio across music, films, digital series and television content make it well placed to monetize the growing opportunities in the music industry. The shift towards a subscription model puts the company in a sweet spot given its extensive music IP portfolio combined with affordable mobile data prices and availability of affordable smartphones. The company aims to acquire 25 to 30% of all new music which is going to be released in India over the next few years, thereby augmenting the IP pool. We expect sales CAGR of 20% and PAT CAGR of 16% over FY24 to 27. We believe Saregama's strong foothold in music licensing business, ramp up in adjacent categories and proactive business initiatives to connect with younger class of audience is likely to result in broad-based revenue growth over medium to long term. At current market price, the stock trades at 46.9 times its FY25 and 36.8 times its FY26 estimated EPS. Next, we have an update on Tech Wabag. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Tech Wabag with a revised price target of Rs 1500. The company has a strong order book of approximately 10,500 crore, which is 3.6 times TTM revenue, and a pipeline of Rs 6,000 crore order book. Worldwide, themes like wastewater treatment, desalination, etc. are becoming important, which bodes well for companies' medium to long-term growth.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.